Hello everybody and welcome to Dan Chalmers Tech, and I hope you're doing well. And today we're going to be checking out another Polaroid condenser microphone, this time from a company called Maono. Now this is their AU-PM421 and it's a similar microphone compared to the Uhuru XM900 that I tested a couple of months ago. However, this time this one is a USB one, not an XLR. So what we're going to do is rip it open its package, have a look at its contents, set it up and see what it actually sounds like. So just to let you know before I go any further with this video that this video is sponsored by Maono and they have sent me this microphone out to review. That's not going to affect what I have to say about it. So moving on to the contents of the box, and you do get your user manual. Now you're not going to need to use this, it's pretty easy to set up and I will just show you how to put it all together. You also get the customer services card with an unhappy face on one side. Now if you're not happy with their product, let Maono know and see if they can help you out and fix it or resolve the problem. And on the other side, a happy face. So if you do like their product, also let them know and give them a good review. Now moving on to the contents itself, and like many of the other microphones, you do get your foam wind cap and you also do get your pop filter. Now obviously this is to eliminate most of the sounds coming through like P, which obviously might come through on my microphone at the moment. But again, it's also branded Maono, letting people know that you are using their products. So let's move on to the underneath of the box, which is where all the good stuff is. First up, we're going to talk about the boom arm. Now the boom arm itself does feel pretty good quality. It's lightweight, it's springy, but also sturdy as well. Now I have tested some of these, which I'm doing videos on, and these actually, well, one of them actually snapped when I got it out of the box. But again, overall this does feel pretty sturdy, springy, and good quality. Now moving on down to the shock mount, and it's a nice matte black finish, again springy and quite stiff, which is obviously going to hold your microphone in place, and obviously it's threaded on one end to fix to the boom arm. Moving on over, and you do get your desk mount. Now, they're again pretty standard desk mount, matte black. Again, obviously going to hold your microphone to your desk. And next up is your cable. Now this is USB Type 2, USB 2.0 to USB Type B. And again, like I said, this is a USB microphone, so no need for an XLR cable or any amps, but I have got some of them coming up in future videos that I'm testing with the Uhuru XM900. You do also get some cable ties. Now these are branded Maono again, and obviously they're going to hold that wire to your boom arm, and I will show you how to do that so you don't end up cutting your cable or potentially crimping it and destroying the audio. Now the really unique thing about this microphone is the same as the Blue Yetis. With the microphone, it is a Polaroid audio design, so obviously speaking into it one way is where you're going to get the maximum effect. Now what makes it unique is you've got a touch sort of button at the top here, which is your mute button. Now when it's red it's off, and when it's cyan it's on, but you also do get the gain on the microphone itself, which like I said is similar to the Blue Yetis. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hook this all up and I'm going to run OBS and do some sound quality tests. That's with the pop filter on, that's with the wind cap on, and also adjusting the gain as well. So hopefully it doesn't deafen you too much, but let's go ahead, get this all off the desk, get it hooked up, and we'll start running it from there. So test number 1 is going to be on the AU-PM421. Now I'm using the pop filter and the phone windscreen, as you can see, and I've just tapped the desk a little, and I'm also going to be using some of the keyboard to see if that picks it up. Now as you can tell, it's going to eliminate B, P, F and S quite a lot. So moving on to test number 2 is I'm going to remove the pop filter and I'm going to speak just with the wind cap on as well. Now I'm recording all this at 50% on the microphone gain. Now with the pop filter out the way, I'm just using the wind cap, and again the microphone is still at 50%. So let's try a couple more keyboard taps and see if that actually picks it up. And it sounds pretty good actually, it's not picking anything up here. Now obviously this might be over the microphone, my keyboard is just here, which is about 2 foot away. As you can tell, I'm a lot more clearer than I was before with the pop filter on. I'm going to take this wind cap off and actually see what the raw audio footage sounds like with just talking into the microphone. And now this is the raw audio of me talking straight into the AU-PM421. And as you can tell, I'm a lot clearer, but a lot of the words are still coming across a bit muffled. B, P, F and S, as you can tell, is obviously quite substantial now. However, what I'm going to do is I'm going to adjust the gain on this microphone all the way up to 100%. Now this is me talking into microphone at 100%, so I do feel sorry for you guys at home if I do deaden you. However, what I'm going to do is turn this back down to 50%. So guys, as I'm talking into the microphone, I'm going to be muting it to see if this touch button is actually quite responsive. Back on, and I'll come straight back into the frame. So yeah, really nice microphone. What I'm going to do is I'm going to stop recording over on OBS, I'm going to wrap it all up, and then I will tell you guys at the end what I think about this microphone. So overall, this microphone is actually a really nice microphone. Now as you could tell from the audio test, I was clear, I was crisp, and it was coming through absolutely fantastic, as if I was using a very high-end expensive studio microphone. However, it doesn't break the bank at £74.99. So overall, a really good product. Now, if you want to find out more about this product, please do click on the link in the description down below. Now, it is an Amazon affiliate link, so it's not going to cost you guys anything extra, but it does give the channel a little bit of kickback and means I can bring you more videos like this. But yes, overall, absolutely fantastic. Love the one-touch mute button. That's absolutely brilliant, especially if you're gaming, podcast, streaming, Discord, anything like that. This microphone is going to be absolutely fantastic, and it's cheaper than buying an XLR microphone and the preamps to go with it. So like I said, Amazon affiliate link is in the description down below. So that does it for me today. If you did like the video, then go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Do share the hell out of this video. It really does help out the channel. And if you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in that comment section down below, and I will try and get round and answering all of them. Underneath the video, there is a red bar. It says subscribe. Go ahead and click that and smash the bell icon for more notifications from yourself. And come and say hello to me over on social media. I've got Facebook. Check out what I'm doing there. And if you want to jump into my Discord, it is free of charge. However, like I said, that does it for me today, and I'll hopefully see you all in the next video.